Hester, we present you the Thompson High School Marching Southern Sounds production of The Iron Giant, a celebration of Birmingham. 2018 celebrates the bicentennial year for our great state of Alabama. And you will notice on our field 4 pieces that are iconic symbols of Birmingham. The first movement is Sloss Furnace and features the tune Iron Man. The second is Magic City Sign with the music of the Iron movies. Our ballad is depicted with the color tunnel and the piece of gold, the ecstasy of gold from the movie The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. And then we close with Metallica's Master of Puppets depicting the Vulcan. Under the direction of drum majors Savannah Bell, Sarah Moran, and Samantha Stewart, we present the Thompson High School Marching Southern Sounds 2018, The Iron Giant. Go.